Hey, Mike, this came for you.
Hey, thanks, Carol.
You're welcome.
Why does it say like, comment, and subscribe? Hey, Carol?
A curb valve is more or less a shut-off valve that you have on the sidewalk, usually. You could use that to shut off the water in case of an emergency inside the building or on your property. The valve is not hold. Just keep turning and turning. It doesn't hold, it doesn't close. So that's why we are here to change the curb valve.
Hello?
Hey, Mike, it's Carol.
Hey, Carol, what's going on?
All right, Stanley just called. There's a problem at his job at Rutland Road.
What's going on over there?
Something with the curb valve.
Okay, let him know. I'll head over there now.
All right, thank you.
All right, thanks. Hey, Stanley, what's going on?
Everything is good.
So, what happened here?
Well, they had a broken curb valve, basically. It wasn't holding.
The challenge to install this curb valve today. Seemed like it was pretty straightforward.
Yeah, it was straightforward. The only little challenge we had was closing the wet connection itself. We found out it wasn't closed all the way.
Sprayed up on you?
Yeah.
I mean, that could happen. It feels like when you close a wet connection,
Yeah,
it feels like it's closed.
Yeah.
What did you have to do? Just work it back and forth?
Back and forth, yeah.
So we got a good shot, and then this was no problem to install.
No problem, it was straightforward, 1, 2, 3. First of all, there is a stem on the top of it, a key on the top of the valve. You need a curb key to put over. It would fit directly over that stem. You go clockwise in order to close it, right? Which is what I'm doing right now. Now I'm going to open it. I have to go counterclockwise. You could actually close it yourself, but you have to have the key.
These curb valves, they could go bad when they're not exercised, right? Mm-hmm. But the tricky thing is you don't want, like, homeowners shouldn't necessarily be using their curb valves, right?
No, preferably not. But
if you don't know how to use it, you can damage it.
Yes. This what we just installed is a new battered curb valve. So it's much more durable than the old one. So, you know, the customer will be satisfied with this.
Oh, now you want to work. Once you see the camera, you're like, oh, let me jump in. Let me start working. ¿Qué hora de trabajar? Ahora.